Have you ever noticed how some food trends just explode? One day nobody's heard of it, the next there are lines around the block. Well, today we're looking at a company that says they've actually cracked the code. This is iCook, and they've built an engine designed to create one viral food hit after another.
So that's the big question, right? How do you actually make the next viral food sensation? Is it just pure luck, a secret family recipe, or is it a science? Well, iCook is betting the farm that it's a science, and they've built their entire company around proving it. Let's see how this engine of theirs really works.
So how do they pull this off? Well, their whole approach starts with a pretty bold claim. They don't see themselves as just another food company. Nope, they see themselves as a brand new growth engine for the entire restaurant industry. Let's break down what that actually means. Their mission is incredibly, almost surgically focused. See, they're not trying to invent the next big thing out of thin air. Instead, they find what's already working, what's trending, what people are already obsessed with, and then they build a system to replicate that success for other business owners over and over again.
Now, to really get iCook, you have to get their core philosophy. They call it the hit product mindset, or ball-peen C way. And this isn't just some corporate buzzword. It's literally the lens through which they see the entire food market.
So, what does this hit product mindset look like in the real world? It means you stop trying to be everything to everyone. Forget those giant, complicated menus. Instead, you zero in on that one item or category that has insane viral potential, and you pour every ounce of energy into making it a massive, scalable success.
And you can see their whole strategy right here. They aren't chasing some obscure niche culinary trend. No way. They are going straight for the giants, the categories that are already global hits. I mean, think about it. Bubble tea, fried chicken, ramen. These are all proven winners with a huge built-in audience. iCook's job isn't to create the category, it's to create the next big version that everyone will be talking about. Okay, so having a hit product idea is great, but that's only half the battle, right? Execution is everything. And this is where iCook's model goes from being an idea to a full-blown machine, something they call their comprehensive empowerment system.
What this really is a business in a box. And for a small restaurant owner, this is a total game changer. It means you don't have to spend years trying to figure everything out on your own. iCook gives you the playbook, all the tools, and the support you need to launch a trendy business fast.
And this support system, it's built on 5 key pillars. First, you've got the supply chain, making sure you get all your ingredients reliably. Then there's data-driven R&D, integrated marketing, an optimized in-store workflow to keep things running smoothly, and finally, overall management guidance. It's truly the whole shebang.
But look, in today's world, a great product and a smooth operation just isn't enough. You need eyeballs, you need customers, you need traffic. And this next part reveals the secret sauce to their super fast growth.
Their growth engine is really fired by 2 massive cylinders. On one side, you have data-driven R&D. This is huge because they're using hard data, not just a chef's gut feeling, to decide what to make. And on the other side, you've got content-driven marketing, which is all about creating that online buzz to get people to know you, love you, and most importantly, share your brand with all their friends.
This quote says it all, doesn't it? It perfectly captures their focus. They don't waste a single marketing dollar on their whole menu. All that energy, all that promotion is laser-focused on whatever the data says is the hottest, must-have item right now. It's about total precision.
So how do they get all those people in the door? Well, it's a pretty classic modern marketing playbook. They team up with online influencers to get that initial buzz going. They build a really solid membership system to keep people coming back, and they design their whole experience to be so shareable that their customers end up becoming their best marketers.
All right, so we've got the hit product mindset. We've got the system that brings it all to life. But what does all this actually mean for the person on the ground, the one running the restaurant day to day? How does this idea turn into actual real-world growth?
Because this is the bottom line, isn't it? If you're a business owner who partners with iCook, what's in it for you? What's the actual result of plugging your business into this big growth engine?
Well, the promise really comes down to 3 things. First, you're going to have a much easier and faster launch because the playbook's already written for you. Second, you'll see a real jump in customer traffic, both online and in person, thanks to their marketing machine. And finally, and this is the big one, this isn't just about a flash in the pan. It's about giving you a clear path to growth that's sustainable for the long haul. Which, of course, leaves us with one last really fascinating question. As companies like iCook get better and better at manufacturing virality, you've got to wonder, what's going to be the next big thing? And will it be discovered by chance, or will it be designed in a boardroom? Something to think about the next time you see a line down the street for the latest food craze.